In the final step of closing your books, you want to sync your journal entries from Cryptoworth to your main ledger software, whether it's QuickBooks, Xero, NetSuite, PennyLane, or Sage, whichever software you're using. You want to close the books from your crypto side into your fiat side in the main ledger. What you want to do is run the calculation like we did previously. We did it already in a previous video, so we'll jump straight to reports. So in the reports page, the previous calculation that I had run here was done as of the end date that I want to close. So I want to close December 31st, 2024, that end period. If you are viewing a reports page like this, where there are no deviations and your ledger is reconciled, then you should be in the clear to sync your journal entries directly into your main ledger software. So in my instance, I have QuickBooks set up. So I can click on this QuickBooks button. If you have another software, it's going to show the logo of the software that you have connected. I'm going to click on the drop down. I have multiple options here. If I want to sync all my transactions as journal entries into the main ledger, I want to click on the first option, sync realized data. If I want to sync my unrealized gain loss for the period, I can choose the second option, sync unrealized gain loss here. And then if you want to sync your journal entries exclusively on Cryptoworth and not sync into the main general ledger, you have a virtual sync option. So typically, if you're closing the books in the main ledger, you want to use the first option every time you're closing a period. So if you select and click on sync realized data, your entire period that you're closing will sync into your main ledger. So in my instance, QuickBooks. When that is complete, you can go ahead and lock the period, just like you would in your main ledger, to finalize the closure of the books in the subledger in Cryptoworth. And that is how you close the books on Cryptoworth.